78,600 subscribers. That's exactly how much subscribers this brand has, and I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do the same for your brand and get this type of numbers. I'm gonna give it a quick refresh though. Yep, how to grow your clothing brand. SMS subscribers or email subscribers, they're pretty much the same. So the first thing you have to do is you set up a sign up form. A sign up form is where you're going to direct the traffic to and where the traffic is going to submit their information. No matter how much traffic you're getting, if you don't have a good high converting sign up form, you're literally fucked. You're not going to grow SMS subscribers the way you want to. So yeah, basically these are some examples of good SMS sign up forms. As you can see, like Black Friday sign up for early access, the biggest sale in the history of our brand, and we have a timer right over here. Name, your email address, your phone number, then sign up. And then this is another example: get early access and exclusive discounts up to 25% off. This is only for like phone number, and for here you shouldn't, if you want, you should include name. This is for bigger brands that have like a lot of emails, that have like a lot of subscribers, and they want to like start segmenting all that stuff. So but for you don't need this much stuff right now, so you can keep it like this if you're a small streetwear brand. And like if you're wondering where you can get this type of sign up forms, you can do it on Omnisend, Klaviyo, Postscripts, like every one of them. A lot of people say Postscripts, like the sign up forms are shady, but you can actually code those websites. You can code the sign up forms. If you're wondering who am I, my name is Abdulaziz. I own a marketing agency called Flows Marketing, where we basically take brands and we scale them through meta ads, all type of ads you can take: Google ads, meta ads, literally everything, SMS and email marketing, backend optimization. We take care of your whole backend, like literally everything you need in the backend. We got you with that. And yeah, if you want a sign up form like this, you can just start working with my brand, and we can come in your brand and help you do that. Or if you want to grow your email and SMS subscribers, we got you all of that. Literally everything you can take up in the back end, we do those stuff. So just apply in the link below. And yeah, so first the sign up form, you already have the sign up form. Now it's time to start getting traffic to that sign up form. So the first method we're going to start talking about is organic. This is one of the best ways to grow your SMS subscribers. Number one, it's free. It all depends on the effort you put in and the work you put in. That's like what becomes the traffic, and then right after the traffic, people sign up to your list. So organic, it's completely free. This is just from content you post. So organic. And then how you can do this is by 3 to 4 videos daily. 3 to 4 videos daily, bro, every single day. This is hard, but you should do it. Just post 3 to 4 videos daily on Instagram and on TikTok, both of the platforms. And then like the TikTok traffic, what you should do when you post this, I'm going to break out the funnel right now for you. So you post daily on Instagram, on TikTok. So on TikTok, usually TikTok gets more traction than Instagram. What you should do is you should convert the traffic from your TikTok to your Instagram. For example, now people comment, people comment on your post. You can just tell them follow the Instagram, like just funnel the people from your TikTok to your Instagram, and then on Instagram, that's where you can actually convert those people. It's so much easier to convert people on Instagram than on TikTok. So you like get traffic, you get more traffic on TikTok, but that traffic you should convert them to your Instagram. I'm going to repeat this so that you can understand it. So you convert it to Instagram, and on Instagram, this is where you're actually going to convert the traffic into SMS subscribers and then into sales. And how can you do this? You can do this the first step you should do is have a link of your sign up form. It can be your password page or anything on your link on your bio. You just put in the link to your website or your sign up form in it, so people like see your content and they want to go and buy the product. They go on your website and they see the website is closed, that they have to sign up. So make sure you have the link in your bio. And another way you can convert the traffic into SMS subscribers, like this is goated, especially for people who are getting a lot of traffic and demand for the products they're hyping up. A very good way you can do it is through story sequences. Story sequences basically mean like for example, now you just post on your story, you put in like a full on blown story sequence, like engaging with your like traffic, engaging with your followers, and then you tell them to sign up. It's going to be like you get a shit ton of traffic, people follow you, and then you're converting them to SMS subscribers through your stories, through your posts and stories. That's how you actually really grow your SMS subscribers organically. Another good way you can grow your SMS subscribers is through call to actions on your captions. You can write something like very limited stock, sign up to the SMS list on like sign up, or you can just put in like sign up to our VIP list for early access and 10% off on the captions of your post. And on the comments too, you can add it, you can just write it on the comments. And also, if you really want to grow your SMS subscribers, I didn't include this in the Miro about I don't even know how to say it, so I didn't include it in here. But a way you can grow your SMS subscribers like crazy, like the number one mentality you have to put in your mind, and you have to put in the mind of your customers, is scarcity. Your brand is scarce. You have to promote as much fear of missing out on scarcity, and tell them you only have a limited pieces available when you drop. So if they don't even sign up to your SMS list, they might so loud. You gotta make them feel like if they don't even sign up to this SMS list and don't get early access, you might even start out on early access, so they should sign up so that they don't even miss out on those products. Like, usually put it in their head that your products are very scarce, and put fear of missing out in their heads too. You should be scared of missing out. So FOMO. And then the second method you can grow your SMS subscribers is through paid ads. This is a go-to method. Like, this is a crazy method. I'm not going to go too much in depth in this because I think I've made a video on that before, you can go ahead and check after you finish watching this video. So, and the paid ads too, we can always do the paid ads for you. Like, you can just hire an agency, we can do it for you. Apply in the link below. So yeah, so this is a very big mistake I see a lot of people making, running traffic. If you don't know what traffic is, like, it's a form of ads. Like, you can run traffic ads, like usually just getting traffic, and then there's boost posts too. So one thing about traffic and boost posts is you're not going to get very high quality SMS subscribers. Meta is smart. Meta is very smart. So when you tell Meta to get you traffic, Meta will try their best to get you as much traffic as they can on your Instagram page or anything. That's what they'll try to get for you. If you ask them to get you landing page views, they are going to get you people that usually sign up to a landing page and never buy the product. Don't run traffic or boost posts. That's just method will get you as much traffic as you want. What you should actually do is lead ads. This is a very go-to method. This is a fucking go-to method. So lead ads are just traffic with steroids. They're traffic but with steroids, like 10x more steroids. So alright, so I'm gonna just tell you how the heck it is. So there's boost posts, like where you actually just boost posts on the Instagram app, and then there's traffic, and that's to get traffic. Traffic is boost posts with steroids, and then there's lead ads. The lead ads are traffic but with fucking steroids too. Like, lead ads are crazy. The one reason I like lead ads is they are actually like very high converting SMS subscribers. Like, a single SMS subscriber you got from lead ad are like 5x worth more than an SMS subscriber on traffic, because Meta is optimizing for leads here for you. So another reason I like lead ads is also because I know the outcome. Let's say traffic now, for example, you don't know how many people are signing up to your SMS list, but for lead ads, for every lead that signs up, you know how much you spent to get that lead. So for like data-driven decisions are going to be so much easier, because you know how much you're spending to get a lead, and you check if that's even profitable for you, your cost per acquisition of a lead. So lead ads are just goated, like they're goated. So this is how you can actually do the lead ads. I have a video on how to do like lead ads, and like you can just go look for it. I'm not going to do anything for you, so you just go look for it. So but I made this like very beginner's guide on how to make lead ads. As you can see, go to, so the first step, you have to go to the ads manager, and then you have to make sure you set up the ads manager and everything, and create a leads campaign. Like click on the green button that on Meta, and then click on create and find leads campaign. And then your destination isn't going to be no website, it's going to be a sign up form. The reason I like sign up forms is because you probably don't even know what a sign up form is, so I'm not going to go too much in depth. So publish, and yeah, and then this is the third method, the giveaway method. So this is basically, it's very self-explanatory. You just do a giveaway, so it's just very easy. So you do a giveaway post, and then the call to action should be like follow. So the first step people have to do is you have to be following the page, and then the second step is they have to repost it on their story and tag you. So when they do that, like people on, so when you do this, it's like a traffic glitch for you. So they repost on their story, so all their followers, all the people that all their followers will see that, like literally all their followers will see the post, and they will see the brand, and they will also come and engage with the brand, so they might also be interested in the product. So every single person is getting more traffic for you, and then they have to comment on the post, so that's going to help with engagement. That's going to help with the algorithm. So the when I get engagement on the post will likely blow up, so much more higher chance of blowing up. So they comment, giving you more engagement, and then they sign up to the SMS list. You have to sign up to the SMS list to join the giveaway, so you got an SMS subscriber. So this is a very good way to get SMS subscribers. So yeah, that's basically it. If you want me to come on your brand and help you scale the brand for you, like as I told you, SMS ads, backend optimization, websites, we build the websites for you, like freshly built websites. Just apply using the link below, and one of the members of my team will hop on a call with you, or I can personally hop on a call with you and see if you qualify.